Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a very interesting and important topic: why chasing happiness makes you more unhappy. This may sound strange at first. Don't we all want to be happy? Isn't happiness a good thing to want? Of course it is. But sometimes, the way we try to find happiness can actually make us feel worse. In this video, we will explore why this happens and how we can live a more peaceful and meaningful life by changing the way we think about happiness. Let's start by asking, what is happiness? Many people believe that happiness is a feeling of joy, excitement, or pleasure. It's when everything feels good and nothing is wrong. So, we often try to create these feelings by doing things that we enjoy, like eating our favorite food, buying new things, watching movies, or going on vacation. But here's the problem. These feelings don't last long. After we eat, shop, or travel, the happy feeling goes away. And then we want more. We chase the next good moment, hoping it will last longer. But it doesn't. And this makes us feel unhappy again. So, why does chasing happiness make us unhappy? 1. We expect too much. When we chase happiness, we start to expect life to be perfect. We want every day to be exciting and fun. But life isn't always like that. Sometimes it's boring. Sometimes it's hard. Sometimes things go wrong. And when life doesn't meet our expectations, we feel disappointed. We think something is wrong with us or with our life. But the truth is, it's normal to feel sad, tired, or stressed sometimes. These are part of the human experience. When we accept this, we can stop fighting our feelings and start living more peacefully. 2. We compare ourselves with others. Social media makes it easy to see what other people are doing. We see photos of people smiling, traveling, eating at nice restaurants, or having fun with friends. This can make us feel like we are missing out. We start to think, they're happy. Why am I not happy like them? But we have to remember, people usually share only the best parts of their life online. We don't see their problems, their worries, or their bad days. Comparing our real life with someone's highlight reel is unfair, and it makes us feel unhappy. 3. We believe we are not enough. Sometimes, we think we need to be richer, prettier, more successful, or more popular to be happy. So, we chase these things, hoping they will make us feel better. But even when we reach our goals, the happy feeling doesn't stay. Soon we want more. We feel like we're never enough. Real happiness doesn't come from things or achievements. It comes from accepting who we are, just as we are, and living with kindness, purpose, and connection. 4. We avoid difficult emotions. When we focus too much on being happy, we try to avoid emotions like sadness, anger, or fear. But these emotions are natural. They help us understand what's important, what we care about, and what we need to change. Avoiding them doesn't make them disappear. In fact, it often makes them stronger. But when we face our emotions with courage and curiosity, we learn from them. We grow. And we become stronger. So, what can we do instead of chasing happiness? 1. Focus on meaning, not just pleasure. A meaningful life is not always easy, but it is full. It's about doing things that matter, helping others, learning, growing, creating, connecting. When we live with meaning, we feel a deeper kind of happiness. Not the short feeling of pleasure, but a steady sense of peace and purpose. Ask yourself, what matters to me? What kind of person do I want to be? What can I do today that adds value to my life or someone else's life? 2. Practice gratitude. Instead of always wanting more, take time to notice what you already have. Be thankful for small things, a smile from a friend, a warm meal, a quiet moment. Gratitude helps you see the beauty in everyday life. It reminds you that even if everything is not perfect, there is still good around you. You can keep a gratitude journal. Each night, write down 3 things you are thankful for. Over time, this simple habit can make a big difference. 3. Accept all emotions. It's okay to feel sad, anxious, or lonely. These emotions don't mean you are broken. They mean you are human. Instead of pushing them away, try to listen to them. What are they trying to tell you? Sit with your feelings. Talk to someone you trust. Write in a journal. Take care of yourself with kindness. The more you accept your emotions, the less power they have over you. 4. Be present. A lot of our unhappiness comes from thinking about the past or worrying about the future. But life only happens in the present moment. When you focus on what's happening now, your breath, your surroundings, your actions, you find peace. Practice mindfulness. Take a few minutes each day to sit quietly and breathe. Notice your thoughts, but don't judge them. Just be. This helps you build a calm and steady mind. 5. Build real connections. We need other people. Talking, laughing, sharing, these moments bring us joy. Spend time with people who care about you. Be honest. Be kind. Listen deeply. Help others. These actions create real happiness, not the kind you chase, but the kind you grow. Chasing happiness can make us feel like we are never good enough, never doing enough, and never have enough. But true happiness doesn't come from chasing. It comes from slowing down, looking within, and living with kindness and meaning. So, next time you feel the pressure to be happy all the time, remember, it's okay to feel many emotions. It's okay to have hard days. What matters is how you treat yourself in those moments, with patience, care, and honesty. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. Take care of yourself. See you in the next video. Bye for now.